Oh, hey there. It's Corey Man, Poseidon Ponds and Landscaping. Oh, hold on a second here. Take my earplugs out. Probably sounded a little loud there. Sorry about that. It is spring in Michigan, and I am out today doing some cleanup. I got my big helper over there. We've cut down our grasses. It's that time of year right here in the beginning of April to cut the grasses down, refresh our garden beds. Those warm season grasses like miscanthus and panicum and some of those, they like to wait until the beginning part of April here to get trimmed. The other thing I'm working on this year is my Bluebeard shrub. I'll kill the scientific name, Caryopteris, I believe, is in need of some pruning. I let it go for a couple years. It's done really well. In the fall, it's covered with bees and all kinds of great beneficial insects. But it's definitely gotten to a point where I need to cut it back on the old growth to get some new good growth. So let's take a look here. You can see I've started to prune it a little bit. You can see the size of the other ones. And what I'm doing is I'm going back to about 12 inches. Everything that you can read online and everything's going to tell you that you could knock these things real hard back, and they're going to come back. So I want to get some new growth on this. I want them to look good again this fall, and every couple years I prefer to do the maintenance on them. So I will just kind of show you here with my pruners. Come down in here, and I'm looking at about 12 inches or so, and I'm just going to come up. I'm always going to cut on an angle, obviously, because I want the moisture to go off, and it should work out for me. So, hey, get outside, do some spring cleaning. What are you doing sitting watching this video inside? If you need more information on stuff, get a hold of us at 734-726-5061, or check out our website, www.poseidonponds.com. I'm going to get back to work with my big helper over there. Take care.